But what I do is glass repairs, mostly fiberglass. Can be on various parts of the boat, on the keel, the hull, the rudder. I like moving about. I enjoy working with different people, which means I'm learning something different and using different tools, picking up new things. To do this job, I think you'd have to be enthusiastic, you need to be able to work hard, you'd have to be willing to learn, I think you'd have to be independent. It's good to be working within a workplace where I can learn off other employees. And it might take a while to get used to doing these things, but it's worth it at the end of the day.
It feels really great when you can take something broken and just fix it like that. Making things out of nothing, the most exciting for me, fabrication and welding, you need to make sure it's up to standard. They've been supported all the time, giving me all the opportunities to learn. Brings your skills up and you can be proud of what you're doing. Yeah, love it.